Hi everyone, I'm Joel Joseph and today I'll be talking on how to add products to your homepage with WooCommerce. And yes, before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel to receive more similar videos regarding WooCommerce. Here basically we add products to our store's homepage to make our page look more attractive and to gain customers' attention towards our products. So here I'll tell you how to add products to your homepage and don't worry, it's an easy and a straightforward process. So let's begin by going to the WooCommerce dashboard and click onto the appearance and customize. And once we have been directed to the page, we can edit anything for your store on based on your own likings. So once you've been directed, go to the widget section here, and here you can get a view on a list of widgets based on the type of theme that you're using. So based on your theme, click onto the desired widget that you want and where you want your product to be displayed. So once you have gone to it, here you will be given an ad block section, and once you click here, go to media and image. And once after you click that, here you will be seeing a bar with upload. So this is where you can go and search for the image that you want to upload for your store. And once you have done it, you can also place it where you want. Now the category tab is placed above the product image, so I'll move here. I can move it by clicking onto the upward arrow so that my product would move upward. And once I have done it, I'll click on to publish so that these changes would be applied to my store. So once it has been published, I'll show you. So this is my store before adding a new product to my homepage. And once after I refresh it, this is how my store would look like. The new product has been added to my store here. So finally, now I hope that this video was quite helpful and informative. And again, please subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Thank you.